We're here looking at the integral of x ln x, and this is a clear product, so that indicates that we're working with an integration by parts problem. And because we are working with specifically a natural log, that is the best thing to use as u. So we'll have u equals ln x. The derivative of u, of course, is 1 over x. And then we can simply let dv equal x. And of course, when we integrate that, we're left with x squared over 2. Because this is integration by parts, we'll start by going across and then down over. And so what we get is x squared ln x over 2 minus the integral. Now we'll go down and across. And what we've got is an x squared up top and x on the bottom. And the up top wins by 1, so we'll leave an x here. And since we've got a 2 in the bottom here, what we'll do to remedy that is put a 1/2 out front. And so we're left with x squared ln x over 2 minus 1/2 the integral of x with respect to x. And so now we just need to integrate this and solve. We are left with x squared ln x over 2 minus 1/2. Of course, the integral of x we've already done once. Here is simply x squared over 2. And because this is an indefinite integral, we have to add a constant at the end. And so now we just need to simplify this, and we'll be done. So x squared ln x over 2 minus x squared over 4 plus c. And that is the solution to our integral of x ln x. If you have any questions, or if you've got any additional calculus or physics problems you'd like me to tackle, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.